Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about that how you can search any kind of file, folder or application in MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to click on this option which is called Spotlight. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, we need to write the name of the file, folder or application we want. For example, I want to open the desktop data folder. So let's write that. I'm going to write the desktop data, and after that we need to press the enter and the folder will be opened like this. So if you want to close it, you have to close this, and after that we are going to click on this again. And now if you want to open any kind of other, for example, I want to open CapCut, so let's write the CapCut, and if we press the enter, the CapCut will be open. Or if you want the Google Chrome, so I'm going to write the Google Chrome here, and let's write the Google Chrome and then press the enter, and the Google Chrome will be opened like this. So as you can see, it's open. So I'm going to cut this one. So in this way you can search a folder, file or anything you want through Spotlight. You just have to follow this step, and after that you will be able to search. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can search any kind of thing in MacBook OS. So see you guys in the next video.